First of all, here's our backend code. The functions of each module has been written in the comments of the source code, so I won't explain too much here. This is our front-end code. Now, let's introduce our image database. This is the face library to be identified. We added 2 ID photos of the team members as identification targets. We also used AI to generate 4 virtual human faces as a distraction. This is our photo gallery to be identified, and we took 2 photos in real life of the group members to simulate practical application case. In addition, we also added an AI-generated photo of a human face as a simulation of unrecognized objects. Now start running the test code. This is our front-end page. We added the sign of our school and the landscape picture of the campus in the background. It's about customization. In addition, a text box has been added, making it more convenient for users to use the page. The name of the project is also written above. We added 2 buttons for users to choose from 2 different facial recognition methods. Let's try select photos first. We choose the live photo of team member. Successfully identified that the photo is him, and it shows a similarity of 0.67. Another live photo, also identified successfully, and it shows a similarity of 0.75. Then, we select this photo without corresponding face as a test. The result of recognition is unknown. Similarity is 0. Then, we tried the second way. Use the camera. The team member captured himself in front of the camera. Successfully identified. The similarity is 0.72. And I'm going to test this on myself with the camera. The program also successfully identified me. The similarity is 0.72. Program test successfully. This is the end of the explanation. Thank you for your time.